The future of the automotive industry is electric, and 2025 promises to bring some of the most advanced electric cars yet. With cutting-edge battery technology, faster charging, and autonomous features, electric vehicles are becoming more practical and appealing than ever before. In this video, we will explore the latest innovations in electric cars for 2025, focusing on the most exciting models, advanced features, and what's next for the future of driving. Tesla continues to lead the EV market, and the Model S Plaid remains one of the most powerful and advanced electric sedans on the road. Power, 1,020 horsepower. Range, 390 miles. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 1.99 seconds. Charging, 80% in 30 minutes with Tesla's supercharging network. Technology, full self-driving capability, regular over-the-air updates, and premium interior. Tesla's Model S Plaid continues to set the bar for electric performance, offering an exhilarating driving experience with unmatched speed and technology. The Mercedes-Benz EQS 580 is the luxury automaker's all-electric flagship sedan, bringing world-class comfort, technology, and performance to the EV world. Power, 500